What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be running speed test battle between the Oukitel K6 and the Doogee Mix 2. They both 6 gig RAM. The only difference here is processor, so I'm not really gonna jump into the specification of both devices. Helio P23 versus Helio P25. In case you're wondering how they both compare to each other, this video might be helpful for you. So let's jump straight into the speed test. I've got 15 applications that I'm going to be running side by side. So let's start with the first one, CNN application, the first one. Okay, so let's see. I think yeah, it came very quickly on the Oukitel, so let's go to the next one. Oh, wait a minute, before I do that, I need to open an article. Let's open this article up. Let's play the video. Maybe when we come back, we're gonna see how the RAM manager does function. Maybe you can tell they're both adverts, so they're not playing the same video. Let's go to the next one. Let's leave it like that. ESPN application. Still on the Oukitel K6. What's going on? Remember, this processor is not as powerful as Helio P23. Maybe it's more efficient, maybe it's more faster, we don't know. This video might be helpful. Let's go, let's continue doing that. So let's open this application up, let's play the video too. I've never come back to play video on mid-range devices with ESPN application. So let's jump into the next one very quickly. Twitter. Still going on the Oukitel K6. Doogee, what's going on? Are you sleeping or something? What's going on, man? Okay, let's open this up. Let's see. What's going on with the Doogee? Okay, the next one. Fitness application. Oh, okay. What is going on with Doogee? Come on, Doogee. Are you sleeping? Okay. Okay, so let's play this video. That's an advert. I don't like that. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here. We come back to that. Come on, Oukitel. What is going on? This Oukitel is just smashing this Doogee Mix 2. What's going on with the Doogee? I used to think Doogee is so powerful, but what's going on? I'm gonna leave it there. Let's go to Chrome. Oh my word, Doogee is so sluggish, man. Sluggish Doogee. I don't know what's going on, to be honest. Let's play this video on the web. This is my Barcelona player. Do you know, guys, I support Barcelona, and this Barcelona player leaving us, Mascherano. So we're gonna leave it there. Hopefully when we come back, the video will still be playing. So let's continue. eBay. I can't believe the Doogee is so slow. I can't just believe what I'm saying, guys. I can't believe this, but we don't know when RAM manager comes in. Okay, eBay, this kettle will end in 19 hours. Let's see. Let's open the kettle and leave it on it, so the time will be. Oh no. Okay, let's leave it like that. I might open description. Doesn't really matter. Okay, I'll leave it here. So if it doesn't reload, I will know. So Amazon. Still going faster. The Oukitel is smashing the Doogee in this test, guys. I'm not really mocking the Doogee, but I can't help but being honest. I expect the opposite. My expectation was for the Oukitel to be slow and the Doogee to be fast, because Helio P23 versus Helio P25. And don't forget, not just that, this phone would not render in 4K because of the processing performance. The processing power is not powerful enough to render in 4K. So my thought was, okay, maybe because of that, you can see on the Doogee, the Amazon is not even happening. It just stay there. What's going on, I don't know, but this is very unusual for Doogee. It's very unusual. If you watch all my tests, maybe I should compare this phone with Mix Alpha X, because the Doogee and the Mix Alpha X, they were going head to head. Maybe this is a call for Mix Alpha X versus the Oukitel. I think I'll move on from here, guys. I'm not gonna wait. Nothing is happening. Okay, what I can do is close Amazon shopping and try again. Amazon shopping. Oh, something is wrong with Doogee. Oh, finally it came. Finally. Let's look for the same item. Deal of the day. Let's leave it here in the deal of the day. Hopefully it will not reload. So for score, let's look for, you know, the speed of this Oukitel is just so snappy. So you can tell for yourself, I'm not cheating, I don't have preference, so I have no reason to cheat. I don't care which one wins, but you can tell for yourself, guys. This is what's happening, it's not me. Oh, something is just wrong with the Doogee. I don't know. Maybe the latest update makes everything goes. Okay, I will leave it in this. I would like to live in the live game, so let's leave in this game. Oh, this is okay. Let's leave it there. It's just 190 minutes, so if it ended, we see. Okay, one football application. You can see the speed of the Oukitel. This is crazy, and I can't tell you. Let me know, guys, if you want me to compare these Oukitel cases with Galaxy Note 8. They both 6 GB. Maybe even if the Oukitel cases is gonna lose, you know, you just want to see how bad it's gonna lose. So let me know, guys, because this is like the speed of my Galaxy. You know, I've never looked it that way. So Shirano, leave it there. Come back later. So YouTube application. Try to look for the same. Okay, whole video there. So I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, Subway so far. So let's open it up. Something is wrong with the Doogee. It's slow. You can tell the animation is so slow. But I don't care. You can see for yourself. It's not me. And everything is to default. You know, I don't root phone. I don't do no nonsense, don't things like that. So let's play the Subway Surfer. We come back later. BT Sport application. We try and play a video that is. What is going on? You can see the BT Sport is not full screen on the Oukitel cases. You can see the border. Look at it to the Doogee. I don't know why. You can see it's not full screen. Okay. I don't know why, but it's not full screen here. Okay, this is not going to really affect the test. But let me check one thing, guys. Let me quickly check if this will be. Let me quickly check on the application full screen mode if it's allowed. BT Sport. Okay, look at it. The reason why it's not full screen is because it's not allowed. So I'm going to turn it on. Turn this on too. No, I'm not going to tamper with this because it's already running in the background. I may turning that on my reload, you know. So let's leave it that way. So let's go back. I'm sure it's going to restart. So we're going to do that again. Okay, BT Sport application. Wow. Wow. Still going. Okay, when you open article, is the same thing. So still going on the Oukitel. So let's watch this. Okay. So Asphalt 8. This is where things get funny and interesting. When it comes to graphic intense game, this is where things always get funny. So let's see. It doesn't really matter which one load the application very quick. Let's see which one is going to launch it. You know, get to the the Oukitel one. Wow, I can't believe this, guys. I can't really believe this. I can't believe this. It's really funny how bad the Doogee is performing against the Oukitel, considering the fact that the processor is lower. You know, it's really funny. It's really funny, guys. Still, this one. See the gaming. Oukitel 1 is still. So now this is the moment of truth. Let's see if any of them will hold the application in the background. This is where things get very exciting, you know. This is where it gets exciting. So now I'm gonna move closer to the camera so we can see for ourselves. CNN application. Now they're both sluggish. You can tell, though they remain in the background, but you know it's not as snappy as it was earlier. You know, ESPN application. Oh, the Oukitel reloaded. Why the Doogee still there? You can see what I'm saying, guys. Look at it. The Doogee is struggling to reload the video, but look, this is the video I played. You can see the Doogee is struggling, but the Oukitel went back to the home page. Okay, Twitter. Okay. Oukitel came first. Fitness app. Oukitel again. Oh my days. Oukitel. Oukitel again. What's going on with the Doogee? Come on, man. Barcelona. I think this came at the same time. If you look closely. eBay. Who's gonna come first? I think Oukitel, maybe just by 0.1 second, you know. Amazon. Oukitel again, but not by much, not something significant. So for score, Oukitel again. What the fuck is wrong with the Doogee? What's going on, man? One football. Oh, well done, well done. Doogee won this one. You can see he came up very quickly. YouTube. Doogee won this one again. But not just that, you can see the Oukitel is still playing the video, but Doogee paused the video. This is crazy. So I give it to the Oukitel. Subway Surfer. Oh, Oukitel reloaded. You can see Doogee say resume. I'm gonna show you the difference. Let's wait for the Oukitel to finish. Then you can see, look, tap to play and resume. That's the difference. You can see the difference. So Doogee won this. So Doogee won. BD Sport application. What? Crashed. At least Doogee were able to stay there. So it crashed. Okay, no problem. Asphalt 8. What? Can you see that? I'm guessing why the Oukitel crashed and why some applications were reloading was because it was holding this heavy graphic intense game in the background, because this is too heavy. The grape is too heavy to hold. But Doogee did what? He reloaded. No problem. No problem. Asphalt Extreme. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? They're both mid-range devices. So I think my thought about the Helio P23 processor is totally wrong. This processor is as good or even better than Helio P25. You know, when it comes to multitasking and then RAM management, I think it's better than Helio P25. You know, so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, because I do enjoy it. I didn't think this is gonna happen, but it happened. I thought the Doogee will win, but the winner here is the Oukitel K6. So Doogee is not too bad considering the price you pay for both devices. Come on, they're not too bad devices, but for performance wise, I think I'm going with this. Yes, I'm gonna go with this. Big battery, big everything, and P23 not bad. It's not just the processor, it's how their software manages the processor. If I put Snapdragon on Snapdragon 840, 850 or Snapdragon 1 million on the device, if the software is rubbish, if the software could not manage it properly, come on, you won't get most of the features of the processor. So guys, I do appreciate your time as usual. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. God bless.